All right, I hope you guys are ready to party. We just finished this system up and I want to show you what it's got. We're gonna go ahead and hit play. All right, so we got a good mixture of speakers in this system. If you look around the pool, we have a bunch of rock speakers. Up underneath the house here, we have a couple weatherproof speakers mounted up underneath the deck, giving nice dispersion throughout the space. As you make your way through the yard, you can see there's rock speakers everywhere. I haven't turned down now, but this really does rock, guys. And I'm actually gonna mute it because of copyright reasons. You can see we have rock speaker there, as well as behind the seating area there when you're lounging out on the sun deck. And then over here behind the hot tub, rock speaker as well. Now, this is the other part that's really cool. You can see here's our garbage indoor TV that didn't make it. We went ahead and pulled down that guy and put up a Sunbright TV. It's an outdoor veranda series. Designed for the elements, it can get rained on, the customer doesn't have to worry anymore. Now, what's really cool is they can have the game going here, and at the same time, they can also play their SONOS. So, again, I'm gonna start it back up. And you can see I have this broke out into gazebo TV area, or gazebo kitchen. And just like that, you can quickly toggle your music between different zones. You can see there's 2 pairs here and 2 pairs over here. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn down the other zone. It's kind of blasting the neighbors right now. But what else is really cool is the fact that you can pair together the television, like the audio coming up this weekend. We got Super Bowl going on, and we want to pair that into the system, of course. This customer's gonna have a rager over here. So we're gonna come right in here to our sources, back out of music, line in. And I took a few different line ins into this system, but I'm gonna select the gazebo kitchen. So now what's happening is Sonos is grabbing the audio from the DirecTV system. We took analog audio out into it so that they can have all these speakers throughout the yard and really anywhere throughout the entire home piped through the Sonos system. So you can hear right now it's coming through the TV. We can also come in here and give it a little bit more volume. Just like that. Now, no matter where you are out in this backyard, you can clearly hear the audio. I'm gonna turn that down a little bit. So this is a review of the outdoor system. Now, I'm gonna take you guys inside in a little bit and show you what we did in there. But if you like this video and you like landscape audio, give us a call or shoot us an email. We can ship this stuff to you if you guys don't live in the Dallas area. And if you guys live in the Dallas area, we can even set it up for you. Now keep in mind, we do have a low price guarantee, free shipping, and you guys can have your own installer set it up for you. Or you can DIY it and you can watch our videos on how it's done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe down below. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.